सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनि कात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतम्। अद्य वर्तमान संख्या वर्तते कक्षा संख्या द्विचत्वारिंशदुत्तर कश्चन प्रमादः सञ्जातः। 3 न 300तमी मया 400 इति लिखितं। 300तमी 342 कक्षा वर्तते। 342 class number, and we know we have come to यथा जानन्ति भवन्तः एतस्य पञ्चकस्य अन्तिम अभ्यासं कुर्मः वयं। 15मस्य अभ्यासस्य योग्यता विस्तरः। तत्र एकः अंशः तत्र अंशद्वयं तत्र अस्माभिः न कृतं गतकक्षायां। वयं एतद् कुर्वन्तः अग्रे सरामः। Part 2, Part 3 of this extension of exercise has not been done, I suppose.
Part 2 is already done.
Done.
Only third one is done.
Yeah, that is what. So, Trutiyamsha in the Yogyata Vistara. So, what is this saying? Karman Napumsaka Shabdasya. Okay, only forms are given. I think we have seen this earlier, no? Karma Shabda is not studied by us, just a reminder again. Karma Shabda is Napumsakalinga, Nakaranta, Karma Karmani Karmani, Karma Karmani Karmani, Karmana Karmabhyam, you can see that. Karmani Karmanaha Karmanaha Karmani, Karmanoho Karmasu, He Karman, He Karmani, He Karmani. So, as we know, any Napumsakalinga Shabda, any Yakopi Napumsakalinga Shabdaha, Prathamayam, Dvitiayam, Samana Rupani, Bhavanti. तृतीयातः सप्तमी पर्यन्तं तत्र पुल्लिङ्गवत् साधारणतया पुल्लिङ्गवत् चलन्ति रूपाणि। कर्मणा इति कर्मणि वर्मणे etc. So you can watch this. There is nothing to explain here. Karma Shabda is action, karma, you know. And then we conveniently move on to the next Panchaka, or this next section of this book, opening with the 76th shloka. Shloka number Shaduttara Saptatitamaha Shlokaha Krutam Akhyati Panditam. Yes, you can read.
Yasya Krutyam na jananti mantram va mantritam pare Krutamevasya jananti savai panditam uchyate. Yasya Krutyam na jananti mantram va mantritam pare Krutam eva asya jananti sahavai panditam uchyate.
Krutamevasya iti पदे एव संधिः अस्ति, अन्यत्र कुत्रापि संधिर् न दृश्यते. सो सरलः श्लोकः इव भासति. पदच्छेद अन्वयं पठतु.
यस्य कृत्यं मन्त्रं वा मन्त्रितं परेण जानन्ति अस्य कृतमेव जानन्ति स वै पण्डितः उच्यते.
So Anvayartha is studied. Yasya Krutyam, whosoever's Krutyam action, act. Mantram, secret planning. Mantritam is here to be understood as future plan, the schedule, the plan of the future. Parena Jananti, others don't know. That king whose plan, future plan, and also whose secret plan, enemies do not know. Pare, others. Pare nama anye. Anye na jananti. Asya Krutameva Jananti. Asya nama etasya nrupasya Krutam Sadhitam Karma Eva Jananti. Kartum Chintitam Tatra Ye na Jananti. Parantu Krutameva Jananti. Krutam Karyameva Jananti. Asya nama asya nrupatehe nrupasya Savai Pandita Uchyati. Such a man is called a learned person, scholar. So here this is applicable to scholarly people and also kings. Mostly kings only. Sa Pandita Uchyati means a king can also be a scholarly person. Kings were scholars in those days, highly learned people. So that is it. Yasya nrupasya va anyasya purushasya va krutyam mantram va pare janaha na jananti mantritam tadrushasya kevalam krutameva jananti saha purushaha panditaha vai uchyati. Panditaha vai nama hi nunam panditaha iti uchyati. So sarlarthaha samskrita bhavartham pashyamah. Yasya
purushasya karaniyam karyam vicharam vicharitam
Vishayam va. Okay. Yasya Purushasya. Here king, the interpretation is given Bhavartha as Purushasya, not Nrupasya. Yasya Purushasya, but it can be applicable to king because we are speaking to Vidura has been speaking about kings only. Yasya Purushasya Nrupasya Karaniyam, what is to be done, Karyam, Karaniyam, what should be done and what action, Vicharam, the thought, Vicharitam, already planned, Vishayam, Vicharitam Vishayam, already planned, subject, Va, Shatravaha na Jananti. Enemies do not know. Whose planning is not known would be, the future plans as well as the present, whatever is thinking, the enemies. Shatravaha na jananti kevalam tena. So only they know the effect after the act has been implemented, after the action has been taken. Kevalam krutamevaihi karyam jananti. Tadrusha. Such a person only is called Pandit. That means unlike if you take Srinivas present day politicians, especially in India, we will not comment about other countries we don't know. They keep on promising so many things we will do this, we will do that. That is not the correct way. Because they are only saying to come into power. After coming into power, they simply forget whatever they have been saying through the election campaign. But here a real person is one who does not leak his planning and does not allow his enemies to know that, and then he comes to know, he lets them know only through the implementation, what we call implementation. That is it. Vishayini bhavati. Now here this Bhavartha says, Iyam niti, this policy, Visishya particularly, Rajnyam Vishayini bhavati. This is relating to the kings only. This policy, not just ordinary people, but it applies only to the kings, especially to the kings, Rajaniti. Raja Mantranam Mantrita Vishayan. It is so the sum and substance of this sloka is a king should keep his planning and the planned things very secretly. Future plans as well as the present plans. Svakrutyam is actions. Mantranam means is planning, alochana. Mantrana means alochanam. Whatever is planning is. Mantritam means already which is been planned, the future task. Gudham raksheti, should keep it very secret. It is saraha. That is the sum and substance of this. So here mantritam means what has already been planned for future. Mantram is any secret planning. So that is the sense here. Well, some of the slokas are two, simple slokas are coming up. Nothing more here. Krutyam is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Mantra Shabda is Pullinga Shabda used in Dvitiyanta. Mantram, Mantritam, Krutam, Karyam. These are all adjectival to Karya Shabda. Krutyam is Napumsakalinga. Krutam. Okay, we can move on to. Now, there is a passive verb here, Srinivas. Savai, Sahavai, Panditaha, Uchyati is called. Uchyate means that person is indeed called the scholar. Uchyate is Vachadhatu in passive. Katyate, Uchyate nama Katyate. You can take on Samadhislu, sorry. Wow.
Manasa Chintikam Karyam Vacha Naiva Prakashaye Mantrena Rakshaye Gudam Karye Chapi Nijo.
Very, very simple poem from Chanakya Niti. Manasa Chintitam Karyam Vacha Naiva Prakashayet Yat Karyam Manasa Chintitam Bhavati Vartate केवलम मनसी एव अस्ति या आलोचना मनसी एव उत्पन्ना भवति ताम आलोचनां बहिर् वाचा वाक् द्वारा नैव प्रकाशयेत् मनसी यद् भवति तद् वाचा न प्रकाशयेत् इति अन्यत् मंत्रेण रक्षयेत् गूढम् Gudam nama rahasyam. Mantrena rakshayet. One should protect his secret by hiding it. Mantrena means by hiding. Mantranena, mantrena. Mantra rakshayet gudam rahasyam karye cha api niyojayet. And he should also implement it in his action. Karye cha tad niyojayet. So this poem is a related poem to the above main poem in the sense that one should not exhibit his planning unless it is implemented. Isn't it? So that is what you think mentally, whatever action is mentally conceived, that should not be exhibited through words. Keep it to yourself and protect it. Implement it. Karyecha niyojayet. But only so when you put it to practice, then people will come to. Why boast of your action? I will do this, I will do that. Like I said just now, unnecessary promises given to the people. You do and then let your performance speak about your performance. Is the yardstick that should be there. So very simple. This is manasa chintitam karyam. Yat karyam manasa chintitam bhavati tat karyam vacha vagdvara na eva prakashayet. Never one should exhibit it through words, what he is thinking mentally. Mantrena rakshayet. So that should be secretly guarded. That secret should be guarded. And karyecha api niyojayet. There are few sandhis, I think one or two. Na eva naiva vriddhi cha api cha api. Karyecha niyojayet api. And also it should be implemented in the action. Niyojayet is potential vidhiling kriyapada. Prakashayet also vidhiling. Prakashayet. Naiva prakashayet means should never exhibit. Vacha. Vagdvara. You know the word vacha? Trutiya. Vacha vacha. Vacham vacha. Vagbhyam vagbhihi. Vacha. By words. So in this poem you see so many words are in Trutiya, Srinivas. Identify manasa, vacha, mantrena. These three words are in Trutiya. Manasa, vacha, and the last word is karye is saptami ekavachana. Karye cha niyojayet. Karmana manasa vacha visena. We generally say karmana, trikarana siddhi. So whatever you think you speak and you implement that. But here in Rajaniti, whatever you think, you should not speak, only implement. For ordinary people, that is, whatever you have in mind, you speak it. Whatever you speak, you do it. Walk the talk. But here in the case, Rajñam Vishaye sa nitihina samichina asti. So, we'll go on to the next.
यस्य मंत्रं न जानन्ति समागम्य पृथग्जनाः स कृत्स्नां पृथिवीं भुङ्क्ते केशहीनोऽपि
Kosha, not Kesha. Koshahinopi parthivaha. You have made the king Keshahina. Yasya mantram na jananti samagamya pruthak Yasya nrupasya rajnaha mantram na jananti pruthak janaha samagamya pruthak janaha. That those people, though assembled for the purpose, pruthak janaha, different people, though assembled for a purpose, do not discover yasya mantram na jananti, yasya nrupasya mantram na jananti, pruthak janaha samagam, even though they have gathered together, whose planning they don't know. Here mantra, whose secret plan, mantra means secret plan. That king whose secret plan cannot be known by people though they have gathered for that purpose. That is the first line, okay? Samagamya means having gathered together, pruthak janaha. Here different people who have gathered for the purpose of knowing the planning of the king, they don't know. Yasya mantram na jananti samagamya pruthak janaha bhinna janaha sa yasya mantram na jananti sa raja sa nrupaha krutznam prithivim bhunkte. Such a king enjoys the entire earth. That king enjoys the earth whose planning is not known by the people though they have gathered for that purpose. Unless, understand, that king will be enjoying the kingdom totally whose planning is not leaked. Like espionage, sometimes plans are leaked, a budget is leaked in our case. Budgets are mostly leaked. Sa Raja Nrupaha Krutznam Samastam. Krutsna means Samasta, complete. Krutznam Samastam Prithivim Bhunkte Anubhavati. Bhunkte Nama Anubhavati, enjoys. Koshahinopi, even without Kosha means treasury. Even though he does not have any treasury, entire earth, though he is poor, Koshahina means poor, though he is a poor king, he will enjoy the earth. Parthivaha, Parthiva is given. Saparthivaha, you take the second line, first word and the last word. Saparthivaha, that king, Koshahinaha api, though he is without any money, though he is poor, Krutznam Prithivim Bhunkte Anubhavati, he enjoys the entire earth. So what is stressed here, Srinivas? King should never allow his planning to be known by others. If that is the case, if he can do that, then he will be a good administrator. Anything more? So Prithvi Shabda and Parthiva Shabda both are used here. Prithvi is Strilinga Shabda, Prithvi, Bhumi, Bhumim. Krutsna is used as an adjective for Prithvi. Krutsnam Prithivim, Samastam Prithivim. Bhuja Dhatu we have come across sometimes. Bhuja, to enjoy, eat, etc. Bhunkte, Bhunjate, etc. So Sa Parthivaha Samastam Prithivim Bhunkte Yai Koshahinaha api Dhanahinaha api. So that's it. We move on to the next. Srinivas.
गूढमन्त्रः विजयते.
Next, Gudha Mantraha Vijay. That means secret plan succeeds.
यस्य मन्त्रं न जानन्ति
Bahyaschabhyantarascha. Sandhis are there.
बाह्याश्चाभ्यन्तराश्च ये
Bahyaschabhyantarascha. Read it again.
बाह्याश्चाभ्यन्तर
No, Dirghade. Bahyaschabhyantarascha.
बाह्याश्चाभ्यन्तराश्च ये स राजा
सर्वतश्चक्षुः
सर्वतश्चक्षु
चक्षुश्चिरमैश्वर्यमश्नुते.
सर्वतश्चक्षुश्चिरमैश्वर्यमश्नुते.
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 A bit tongue twisting sandhis are there. Yasya, you can break the padacheda is there.
यस्य मन्त्रं न जानन्ति बाह्याः च
आभ्यन्तराः च
ये
स राजा
सर्वतः चक्षुः चिरम् ऐश्वर्यम्
अश्नुते. Yes.
यस्य मन्त्रं ये बाह्याश्च
आभ्यन्तराः च न जानन्ति
सः सर्वतः चक्षुः राजा चिरम् ऐश्वर्यमश्नुते.
Sorry. यस्य राज्ञः नृपस्य मंत्रं ये बाह्याः जनाः बाह्याः रिपवः outside enemies whose secret planning even the outside enemies बाह्याः रिपवः शत्रवः आभ्यन्तराश्च शत्रवः. Kings have internal enemies, external enemies. So planning should be such तादृशं मंत्रं भवेत् यद मंत्रं तादृशः मंत्रः भवेत् यं मंत्रं न केवलं बाह्याः आभ्यन्तराः अपि शत्रवः ज्ञातुं न शक्नुवन्ति. So mantra should be like that. The planning secret plan should be such that neither the insiders nor the outsiders will be able to know. So yasya mantram ye bahyah shatravah cha abhyantaraschcha na jananti. Neither the insiders nor outsiders nor insiders know. Sa sarvatah chakshuhu raja. That king who is called here sarvatah chakshuhu, Srinivas, very beautifully put. Earlier we have studied chara chakshuhu, raja chara chakshuhu. A king sees through his spies. Here he says sarvatah chakshuhu raja, a king whose eyes are spread everywhere. That is why there is one, I think, Prahelika, I think, Sanskrit. We have that mantra, na? Sahasra sirsha purushah sahasrakshah sahasrapat savish adhyatishtat dashangulam vishato etc. is there. I am just faltering there. So sahasra sirsha purushah sahasrakshah sahasrapat. This one mantra from the Rigveda is taken sometime to apply to a king. This is sometimes applied to Sahasra Sirsha Purusha Sahasraksha. This part, Sahasraksha, is applied to a spy. And also a king. A king who has got so many spies everywhere. 1,000 spies spread over. He has to gather information, isn't it? So a secret spy is sometimes called like that. Okay, coming back here. Sarvatah chakshuhu raja, a king whose eyes are everywhere. Chiram aishwaryam ashtu. That is such a king only Aishwaryam ashnute bhungte. Sampadam bhungte. Sampadam anubhavati. Sampadam ashnati. Ashnute. He enjoys the prosperity. Whose planning is neither known by the outsiders nor by the insiders. So the stress is being here in this sloka that planning should never be leaked, either the present planning or the future planning. Okay?
What is Abhyantara?
Abhyantara, insiders. Insider enemies may be there. So sarvataha chakshuhu bahyaha abhyantaraha, outsiders and insiders.
Antara is inside. What is
Abhyantara, abhi antara abhyantara. Okay?
Yes.
Then you read the bhavartha.
यस्य राज्ञः गुप्तयोजनाः सन्निहितैः बाह्यैश्च न ज्ञायन्ते यः च सर्वेषां क्रियाः गूढं निरीक्षते तादृशः राजा सदा ऐश्वर्यम् अश्नुते.
So bhavartha says yasya rajnah, yasya nrupasya, whosoever kings gupta yojanaah, secret plannings, sannihitaihi bahyaihi na gnayante. The bhavartha here says even insiders means sannihitai means close people. Even the close people moving with the king. But I said it even inside enemies. It could be both. Gupta yojanaah sannihitaihi bahyaihi cha na gnayante, not known. Yahacha, and that king, sarvesham kriyaah gudam nirikshati, and king who keeps all his actions gudam nirikshati, he sees to that all his actions, plannings are kept secret. Tadrushah raja, such a king, sada, always, aishwaryam ashnute, he always enjoys prosperity. He prospers all the time, that is it. So here Gupta Yojanaah Sannihitaihi Bhakyaihi cha na gnayante. This sentence is in passive voice. Yasya Rajnah Gupta Yojanaah na gnayante. Understand? Gupta Yojanaah na gnayante. Secret plannings are not known. By whom? Sannihitaihi, by the close people, and Bhakyaihi, by the outsiders. Yahacha, and that king who sarvesham kriyaah, of all the sarvesham kriyaah, to all the people, and who keeps to all, sarvesham, to all people, sarvesham jananam, kriyaah gudam nirikshate, who keeps them top secret. Such a king always enjoys the country or the kingdom. You can say Aishwarya means here kingdom. Rajyam ashnute, Rajyam bhungte, you can say. So that king enjoys properly. Properly, he says, whatever it is, a long time. Okay, we will not read translation is that. Sambaddaha slokaha trayah santi, Srinivas.
नास्य छिद्रं परो विद्याद् छिद्रं परस्य तु
गुहेत कूर्म इवांगानि
रक्षेत् विवरमात्मनः.
This is from Manusmriti. Manusmriti, not our text. Na asya padacheda, you can try.
Na asya chidram paraha
Vidyat. Vidyat, no. It is not vidya. It is verb vidyat, vidadhatu. Vidyat, vidyat, chidram parasyatu.
Guhet kurma iva angani.
Guhet kurma iva angani rakshet vivaram atmanaha. Now everywhere in the poem, what is dominantly seen grammatically is vidhiling, potential mood, Srinivas. For example, vidyat, second, again vidyat 2 times, guhet, rakshet, this is all vidhiling prayoga, like bhavet, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. Bhavadatu, if you take gachet, tad vijnanatam sa gurumeva abhigachet. Veda says one should go, one must go for the sake of knowledge to the Guru, approach the Guru. So here vidyat is also that, vidadhatu. Vidyat should know, one should know 2 times. Guhet, one should hide. Guhati, Gunan Prakati Guhati. We have studied long back. I told you one poem, if you remember. There are 6 qualities of a friend, I told you. Apad gatam na jahati, no, that is not it. Guhati, Guhati. Gopyam Guhati. That is, but that is not the word used by Bhartrihari. Papan nivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyam cha guhati. Guhyam, rahasyam, guhyam cha guhati. We have come across that word. Here the same guha dhatu, which means to hide. Guhet, potential mode. 3rd person singular. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Guhet. And similarly, rakshet is simple. Rakshet, one should protect. So one should protect, one should hide, one should know. These are the verbs here, and then we move to understand that. Na asya chidram paro vidyat. A king should behave in such a way. Raja tadrushaha bhavet, tadrushaha bhavet, acharam cha kuryat, yena paraha nama shatruhu. Ragnaha shatruhu paraha tasya asya ragnaha chidram na vidyat. Raja tadrushaha bhavet yena tasya, here is asya is there. You try to understand this, Srinivas. Na asya, break this, Savanandi recently. Asya nama asya ragnaha. Asya ragnaha chidram paraha na vidyat. This is the first quarter. Let us analyze this. Asya nrupasya, of this king. What is that chidram, loophole? I'm sorry, loophole, weakness. Loophole or weakness. Asya nrupasya ragnaha chidram paraha shatruhu na vidyat. This king's weak point, the enemy should not be able to know. Na vidyat. Vidyat parantu, this king should know his enemy's weakness. A king should not allow his weakness to be known by enemy, but he should know his enemy's weakness. That is second half. Vidyat chidram parasyatu, but he should know the weakness of his enemy. A king should not allow his weakness to be known by his enemy, but he should know his enemies. Oh, whatever, what a logic, huh? To run the administration like that. So a king's enemy should not know his weakness, but he must know the weakness of his enemy. That is first line, okay? This I think I have to write out on the board, this poem. Tatha, Guhet karma iva, Guhet kurmaha iva angani. And as the tortoise hides its limbs, Srinivas, kurmaha yatha angani guhati, tatha guhet, he should also hide his secrets like the tortoise hides its limbs. Whenever there is a danger sense, whenever the tortoise senses danger, it immediately withdraws inside. Like we have in the Gita also, example. Whenever favorable conditions are not there, the yogi withdraws himself, like a kurma iva angani. I don't remember that poem. Do you remember that poem? There is one poem to this effect. Guhet kurma iva angani rakshet, and he should protect rakshet vivaram atmanaha, and he should protect his own weak points. Srinivas. Last quarter says rakshet atmanaha vivaram, atmanaha chidram, and he should always protect his own weakness. He should withdraw himself as the so the total meaning I will once again tell you. A king's enemy should not know his weaknesses, but he should know his enemy's weaknesses. As the tortoise hides its limbs, he should protect his secrets and not allow his secret, never allow his secret, his weakness to be known by the enemy. Rakshet vivaram, rakshet vivaram atmanaha. Atmanaha raja, atmanaha swasya, atmanaha nama swasya vivaram chidram na rakshedeva sada rakshet. A king should protect his weak point all the time, and he should withdraw himself, not allow himself to be, not allow his weaknesses to be known by his enemies, like tortoise does not allow its, withdraws its when there is a danger. So like that he should behave. Guhet, he should protect his secrets, like a tortoise protects its self by withdrawing its organs, so limbs, whatever you say. So here Srinivas, first sandhi is there, na asya savarnadira sandhi, chidram, chidram nama vivaram, but here weakness, otherwise a loophole we say, paraha vidyat, paraha shatruhu asya nrupasya chidram na vidyat, that is order. Vidyat chidram parasyatu, he should know the weaknesses of his enemy. Guhet kurmaha iva angani, he should protect himself like a tortoise protect itself withdrawing its limbs. Rakshet vivaram atmanaha, atmanaha vivaram sada rakshet, he should protect always his weak points. So is it clear now? This sandhi vicheda, vidyat vidyat chidram rakshit, these verbs only I will highlight here. First one, there is a sandhi. What is the word? Read.
Na asya.
Na asya. Seven.
Vidyat, vidyat.
So two times vidyat is there. Vidyat plus what is there?
Vidyat.
No. Vidyat immediate. Again vidyat.
Vidyat plus chidram.
Chidram. Guhet. Guhet kurma. Kurmaha iva angani.
Rakshet vivaram plus atma.
Okay. So guhet, vidyat, these are all vidhiling prayogas. Please note that. Vidadatu, vetti. Veti vittaha vidanti. That is how it goes in potential vidyat, vidyatam, etc. Guhet, guhetam, guheyuhu, rakshet, rakshetam, raksheyuhu, etc. It goes with the link. It has to be checked. Okay, Srinivas, we can go to the next one. यथैनम नाभिसंदध्युर
मित्रोदासीन शत्रवः तथा सर्वं संविदध्यादेश सामासिको नयः.
Again Manusmriti, same place it is given. Yatha enam, sandhis you have to break. Na abhisandadyuhu. Na abhisandadyuhu. Dyuhu plus mitra udasina shatravaha. Mitrodasina shatravaha. That is breaking. Again do it. Yatha enam na abhisandadyuhu mitra udasina shatravaha. Samvidadhyat esha samasikaha nayaha. Samasikaha nayaha. This is the common policy. Samasika. This is the policy in now what let us try to understand. Yatha enam na abhisandadyuhu. Abhisandana means arrange. Abhisandha is to arrange. Yatha enam rajanam na abhisandadyuhu. Mitra udasina shatravaha tatha sarvam samvidadyat esha samasiko. As his own friends, Mitra udasina shatravaha, and his opponents, friends and opponents may not come to know him, like whatever is echoed in the previous poems, it is said here, as his friends and common enemies, udasina. Yatha mitrani udasina shatravaha na abhisandadyuhu. In a way, his own friends and enemies do not know this person, do not guess his actions. Na abhisandadyuhu. Tatha, in that manner, sarvam samvidadyat. He should do everything. In a way, a king should behave in such a way that his own friends and enemies will not be getting him. Tatha, in similar manner, sarvam samvidadyat. He should arrange in everything. His planning should be like that, so that even his friends and enemies also cannot know what is planning like. Tata sarvam samvidadyat esha samasiko. This is a general policy. Samasika means is a common policy, general policy, general rule, you can say, as far as the kings are concerned. So a king should not allow his friends and foes know about his arrangement, planning, and he should do everything as per that. This is the general law. Is it okay? Nothing there. Abhisandadyuhu is also potential mood here. न अभिसंदद्युः मित्र उदासीन शत्रवः यथा एनं वृद्धिसंधि संविदध्यात्. This is potential. Samvidadhyat, he should do things like that. Esha, this is Eshaha Samasikaha Nayaha. This is the policy in general. We can move on. Same echo here. Shukraniti is coming.
Antarveshmai Ratrova Divaranye Vishodde Mantrayen Mantrivihi Sadham Bhavi Krutyam tu Yudhyam.
Now this is from which source? Shukraniti. Antarveshmani Ratrau va universe. Ratrau va diva plus aranye, divaranye, simple. Vishodhite, that is one word. Mantrayet, again mantrayet. Mantribhihi sardham bhavi krutyam tu. There, bhavi krutyam. In sandhi it becomes krutyantu. Bhavi krutyam tu nirjane. So Shukraniti says a king should consult with his ministers. And how should he consult and where should he consult? Antarveshmani, either in his own house. Antarveshmani, Veshmani nama gruhe, in his own chamber. In his own chamber. Antarveshmani, he should consult. How that Antarveshmani, it should be Vishodite, thoroughly inspected. That place should be thoroughly inspected. Srinivas. Vishodhite antarveshmani. In a place he should consult which is thoroughly inspected by him. Like, sometimes without inspection, like nowadays when the Prime Minister or the President comes, everything is beforehand inspected by the cops. Any landmine, any bombs, or everything is thoroughly checked before the VVIP comes in. Like that, Vishodhite means in a thoroughly inspected place. Antarveshmani, it could be like Ratrauva Diva Aranye. So the place is given, but time here. A place should be thoroughly inspected one. Ratrau, either at night or Diva, or the place even Aranye. It could be the house of the king, it could be the forest, but either during the day or during the night. Mantrayet mantribihi sardham. A king should consult with his ministers. Mantrayet, potential. Mantribihi sardham. Mantribihi saha. Sachivaihi saha mantrayet. King should consult with his ministers. What should he consult with his ministers? Bhavi krutyam, future plan. Bhavi krutyam, that is mantritam. Bhavi krutyam tu nirjane, and that place should be nirjane. Nirjane aranye. We can connect this with aranya, Srinivas. Nirjane aranye athava Antarveshmani, Vishodhite Antarveshmani, or Vishodhite could be taken to mean even Aranya also. Vishodhite Aranye, in a thoroughly inspected forest without people, Nirjane, Raja Nrupaha Mantribihi Sardham Mantrayet. He should plan. Bhavi Krutyam Mantrayet. He should think about future plans in an isolated, protected place, either during the night or during the day, with his either in his own place or in the jungle or in an thoroughly inspected place, desolate place. A king should consult with his ministers about the future plan. It's okay. Now, Antarveshmani is, Veshman Shabda is Gruha Shabda. Veshmani, Saptami Ekavachana. Antarveshmani. Ratrau, you know, Ratri Shabda Saptami Ekavachana. Diva Aranye. Diva is Avyaya. Diva is Avyaya, so it can't be touched, it cannot be derived, Srinivas. Diva Ratrau, we say. Diva is Avyaya. Aranye is Shabda is Saptami Ekavachana. Aranye. Vishodhite. This is an adjective for Aranya or Antarveshmani, it can go with anybody. Vishodhite Antarveshmani, it can be. And Nirjane going with Aranya. Nirjane Aranya, in a forest where there are no people. Vishodhite going with Antarveshmani. Raja understood. Mantribihi sardham, along with his ministers. Mantrayet, he should consult. Bhavi krutyam mantrayet, he should consult about the future. So, this is over, Srinivas. Next we have to go to 78.
Mantra Vipravaha. Shloka.
Yes.
Ekam Visharaso Hanti Shastrenaikascha Vadhyate Sarashtram Saprajam Hanti Rajanam Mantra Viplavaha. Ekam Visharasaha Hanti Shastrena Ekahcha Vadhyate Sarashram Saprajam Hanti Rajanam Mantra Viplavaha.
Mantra Viplavaha. Viplava means leakage of secret planning. What will happen if the planning is leaked? So, Anvayartha you have done? Yeah.
Visharasaha ekam hanti shastrena ekascha vadyate mantra viplavaha sarashram saprajam rajanam hanti.
So, the danger of leaking the secrets of kingdom is highlighting. Visharasaha, poisonous drink, ekam hanti, kills only one person. Shastrena ekahacha vadyati, only one person is killed by weapon. Shastrena ekaha eva janaha vadyati. Mantra viplavaha, the what you call leakage of secret planning. Viplava here does not mean what we understand in Telugu universe. Viplava, that is not. Here leakage. Leakage of secret planning. Mantra viplavaha. Sarastram saprajam rajanam hanti. It kills, it destroys the country along with people and the king. Sarastram saprajam rajanam. It destroys the king along with his kingdom and people. What? The leakage of secret planning. Destroys not only the king, Rajanam, parantu Sarastram Saprajam Raja. Sarastram means Rastrena Sahitam. Rajanam Saprajam Prajabhihi Sahitam Rajanam. These are adjectival to Raja here. These two words are adjective to Rajanam. Sarastram Saprajam Rajanam. A king along with his country and the people. Along with his country and the people. Understand, Srinivas? Rastrena Sahitam Prajabhihi Sahitam Rajanam Hanti. It kills. What kills? Mantra Viplavaha. Bhavartha you can read.
Vishyanena eka eva mriyate shastrenapi ekasya eva vadhaha jayate parantu yasya rajnah gudha yojanaah prakashitaah bhavanti tena rashtrena prajabhihi sahacha raja pranashyati atah raja mantritam na prakashanti.
So, the Bhavartha says, Vishapanena, by giving poisonous drink to anybody, ekaha eva mriyati, one person only dies. Shastrenapi, even by the weapon also, ekasya eva Vadaha Maranam Jayati. Parantu, but Yasya Ragnaha, of whichever king, Gudha Yojanaha Prakashitaha Bhavanti, but that king whose secret plans are leaked, Prakashitaha Bhavanti, Tena Rashtrena Prajavihi Sahacha Raja Pranashyati. Along with that country, along with that people, the king is destroyed. Tena Rashtrena, with that country, Prajavihi Saha, along with the people, Raja Pranashyati, Nashyati. Ataha, therefore, Raja, a king, Mantritam na prakasha, it should never leak his planning. A king should never leak, therefore is planning. Prakashayit. Is it okay?
Mantra bijamidam guptam rakshaniyam yatha tatha managapi na vidhyeta tad bhinnam na prarohati.
Hitopadesha. Mantra bijam idam guptam rakshaniyam yatha tata. He says, mantra bijam means here, not bijakshara, here the seed of counseling, planning. The seed of counsel or planning should be kept concealed. Mantra bijam idam guptam rakshaniyam. The secret seed of planning should be protected. Srinivas. The secret planning or seed of planning should be protected, kept concealed. Protected means should be kept, guptam means guptam rakshaniyam, it should be kept concealed. What the seed of planning should be kept concealed in such a way, yatha tata, that in such a way that managapina vidyeta, not even a glimpse of it leaks. Not even a bit of it is leaked. Manak means little. Managapi na bhidyeta. See, a king should see to the seed of counsel is kept totally protected and guarded in such a way that even a bit of it is not leaked out. I think we are stressing on the same subject because the five slokas. Mantrana should not be leaked, mantra should not be leaked, everything, but different aspects of it. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Mantra bijamidam guptam. This is the seed of mantra planning. Guptam rakshaniyam, and it should be guarded and protected. In such a way, yatha tata managapina vidyeta. Even a, what do you call, not even a glimpse of it could get out of or get leaked. Tad bhinnam na praro. If supposing if that is leaked, the planning is leaked even a bit, tad bhinnam, yadi bhinnam bhavati na prarohati, then it will not thrive. It will not thrive. The planning will not become successful. It will not tad bhinnam na prarohati. He is comparing here planning with a seed. Just like you take a seed, sow it in a way which is, when you sow the seed in the ground, it is not visible at all, and then do protect it. If you sow the seed and then leave it without protection, also it is not going to give result. So also your planning should be such that it should be well guarded. Even a part of it should not be exposed, like the seed. Comparison is good here. Mantra is like a seed only. That is a mantra bijam, he says. Just like a bija is not exposed, totally buried in the ground so as to give us the result, so as to sprout and thrive. Similarly, your mantrana should not be allowed to be leaked. Even if it leaks a little also, it will not thrive. Will it, supposing you sow a seed, then the covering is not good, Srinivas, then what will happen? It will die. Bija will die. So your planning also will be waste. That is the idea here, Hitopadesha. Yeah. Mantra, so once again you will read, Mantra bijam idam guptam rakshaniyam, it should be protected yatha tata, in such a manner, managapi kinchidapi na vidyeta, it should not break. Tad bhinnam, if it is broken, if it is exposed, na prarohati, the bija does not grow, the secret plant does not thrive. Okay, Shubham Bhuyat.